Creating high-quality video content usually comes with a lot of challenges. You need equipment, locations, editing time, and often an entire production team. But recently, something interesting appeared in the AI video space. Pippit AI Agent has launched a new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, now in early access on Pippit. You can access the platform directly at Pippit.ai. And today I want to test how this new model can help build more complete visual scenes from simple, intuitive prompts. This model is designed to unlock new possibilities in visual storytelling, while also helping creators craft, edit, and sync high-quality video and audio content more seamlessly. Instead of producing clips that look artificial or glitchy, the goal is to generate scenes that feel closer to real high-quality footage and make it easier to build complete scenes from simple ideas. So today, I'm going to run a few quick tests and see how it performs in real use. After opening the platform and logging into the dashboard, the interface is very straightforward. The main area we'll use is the video generator. Here you can describe the scene you want using a prompt. The more detailed your prompt is, the more control you have over the final output and how the scene is framed and built. For this test, I'm switching the model to Dreamina Seedance 2.0. For my first example, I want to generate a high-quality action scene. So I write a prompt describing a fast-paced wuxia-style sequence in a misty bamboo forest, where a black raven moves through the environment and engages in a dynamic combat scene with smooth and dramatic lighting. Then, I select the video size and generate the clip. The rendering usually takes a few minutes depending on the complexity. Now, the video is ready, so let's take a look at the result. The lighting and textures look surprisingly detailed, especially in the environment and character movement, and the scene has strong depth and contrast. Compared to many AI-generated videos, this output feels much closer to something you might see in a high-quality trailer. What stands out even more is how the model captures fine textures and avoids the typical AI look, making elements like the mist, motion, and environment feel more natural. It's not perfect, of course, but the visual quality is noticeably stronger than what we usually see from many AI models. Next, I wanted to test motion stability, which is another area where AI video often struggles. For this example, I generate a scene with a character moving through an action sequence. The main goal here is to see whether the motion remains smooth and whether the model avoids the common distortions we often see in AI video. After generating the clip, the motion actually looks quite stable. The movement flows naturally and the scene doesn't show the typical glitches or warped backgrounds that many models produce. It also helps when you're trying to keep the scene visually consistent instead of fighting distracting motion artifacts. Overall, what stands out here is that Dreamina Seedance 2.0 focuses not only on visual quality and motion quality, but also on helping creators build more complete visual stories from prompts in a much more intuitive way. The scenes look more natural and the movement stays stable across the shot. And because the workflow feels more creator-friendly, it becomes easier to craft scenes, shape the pacing, and build content that feels closer to a finished production. If you want to try it yourself, you can access the platform directly at Pippit.ai. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 is now in early access on Pippit. Start the next era of content creation, only on Pippit. And if you'd like to see more experiments with AI video tools like this, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.